Are invoices a nightmare? Not with Wave, and it's free. Ever spent hours wrestling with spreadsheets, trying to create a halfway decent invoice for your client? You're not alone. Fumbling with basic accounting tasks can steal precious time you should be spending on your actual business. But what if there was a way to ditch the spreadsheets and send professional-looking invoices in minutes? Enter Wave, a free online accounting platform designed specifically for freelancers and small businesses. Now, the question on everyone's mind, are invoices free with Wave? Buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. Wave, your free invoicing superhero. Wave isn't just another accounting software. It's a one-stop shop for managing your finances, from sending invoices and tracking expenses to reconciling bank statements and generating reports. But the real star of the show is Wave's invoicing system, and yes, it's completely free to use. Here's what you get with Wave's free invoicing. Unlimited invoices and estimates, no limits, no hidden fees. Need to send one invoice a month or 100? Wave's got you covered. Professional invoice templates, ditch the boring spreadsheet look. Wave offers a variety of customizable templates that make your invoices look polished and professional. Easy invoice creation, stop wasting time with complicated interfaces. Wave's system is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to create invoices in minutes. Automatic calculations, say goodbye to manual calculations and hello to peace of mind. Wave automatically calculates totals, taxes, and discounts for you. Multiple payment options offer your clients flexibility with online payments through popular platforms like Stripe or ACH bank transfers. Processing fees apply. Automatic payment reminders, never chase down payments again. Wave sends automatic reminders to your clients when invoices are due. Track invoice status, monitor your invoices in real time. See which invoices have been opened, viewed, and paid. Free doesn't mean limited, Wave's got your back. While the core invoicing features are free, Wave offers additional functionalities with paid plans. Here's a quick breakdown. Free plan, perfect for freelancers and solopreneurs with basic invoicing and accounting needs. Paid plans, for businesses with more complex needs. Wave offers paid plans that include features like payroll processing, double entry accounting, and advanced reporting. But even with the free plan, Wave packs a serious punch. It offers everything you need to create professional invoices, track payments, and stay on top of your finances, all without breaking the bank. Wave versus the competition, why it stands out. There are plenty of online invoicing tools out there. So, why choose Wave? Here are a few reasons. Free and feature-rich. While some competitors offer limited free plans, Wave gives you a robust set of features without charging a dime. Incredibly user-friendly, Wave's intuitive interface makes it a breeze to learn, even for those with no accounting experience. Integrated accounting. Your invoices seamlessly integrate with Wave's other features, giving you a complete picture of your finances. Excellent customer support. Wave is known for its responsive and helpful customer support team. Is Wave right for you? If you're a freelancer, solopreneur, or small business owner tired of clunky invoicing systems and messy spreadsheets, then Wave is definitely worth checking out. With its free invoicing features and user-friendly interface, Wave can help you streamline your finances, save time, and get back to focusing on what truly matters, growing your business. Remember, you don't need a finance degree to use Wave. It's designed with you, the entrepreneur, in mind. So, ditch the invoicing headaches and give Wave a try. You won't regret it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.